What's up, guy? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Halababy Official. Guys, today it's a special day to me, and I thank God for this far. Let me greet you for the first time. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It shall depend the time where are you watching this video for today. And kindly, in case you're new here, subscribe, comment, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video for today. All the time positive vibes, guys. So thank you for the returner subscriber. I want to appreciate on that. I'm low to 5k subscriber. I want to appreciate on that, guys. And this is where I'm calling home here, and this is my house where I'm living, where I'm doing everything, and I thank God for this far. Nowadays I have my chairs, table, everything, and you can see the house was very clean, and I have been painted by yellow yellow paint, you can see. And my house was very quiet. And guys, to be honest, I thank God because my mama she recovers slowly, and I think I want to prepare some lunchtime so I can give her, and then I take her to the hospital for injection, So like yesterday, my mama, she wanna given by the doctor instruction, and I paid the money for the tablets to cure the pain, and we negotiate with my doctor, or we have some story, and my doctor decide. So right now, as I speak here, I'm going to the kitchen to prepare rice and some soybeans, so I can give my mama to take, and then I take my mama to the hospital for the injection. So every day on time. My time here was, let me remind my time from the doctor, around 2 p.m. So that's the time where my mama, she can go for injection. And right now, so let me see what's my time. It's 13:45 p.m. That's my local time here. And actually I need to prepare the rice and all stuff. And then right now, guys, my mama, she can't prepare lunch or breakfast, so she feel that pain, and I must cook for my family, so that is good. And in the morning I asked my mama, how do you feel? She told me right now she feel better, but we must wait for the injection. So guys, let me take here. Yes, mom, what are your case? Yes, that's my iron sheet. Yes, that's my iron sheet. So I'm going to the kitchen. Because I was charging my camera, so I prepared the rice randomly, but I think it's okay. So guys, in case you're not here, this the rice over here. So I fetched firewood, I came, and then there's some stuff that I cooking here because soybeans, so I think it's inside here, when I'm not wrong. Let me I cooked on this pot here, so I want to show you just a little bit. You see, guys, on this hot traditional pot here. So I cook, and then I want to chop some tomatoes maybe, and over here I'm preparing rice. So guys, the reason why I was making these things random, because my camera have one battery, so when went off, that's the end of the story. But I boost my camera, so I'm showing you how I'm prepared the rice, guys, here for my family. And my other brother went for the daily job all skilled labor. So to get something, maybe he need to pay the phone, he need to buy some credit or bundles, all stuff. So he went to Nasto's place. So let me cover here first. He went to Nasto's place. He working there as a handman. And the end of the day, Nasto pay him, and he came with sugar. So, and the rest of the money, maybe he saved, because I think this year September we remaining with like 2 months. So the next month he went to join university. And actually, guys, I will make that videos. I will take my brother to university. So he need to study the course of Bachelor of Science, and in general education. So for the secondary school, so he want to become a teacher. And at the same time, guys, me, I'm a vlogger. My brother, he became a teacher. Maybe our third born brother, he became a doctor. My sister, he became a surgeon. It's by God's plan. You never know. So, guys, let me light some fire here first. Wow, little life, guys. When my mama she feels sick, I must cook 5 days, and maybe daytime I can cook, but evening time my brother, our third brother is here. He can cook also. When you are a kid, my mama told us how to cook, show us how to cook slowly until you became a professional. So, guys, I'm using this pipe to light some fire over here. Hey. Oh my god, so it's lightening. So I don't want to put too much of the fire, because not too much of firewood, because when you put too much of firewood, it can be burned faster, and when you start eating, you feel that it will not be cooked well. So let me show you guys. This is the rice that I'm prepared here. Yeah, guys, you see. Let me show you. This is the rice over here. So it's hot. Look, this rice, pure white. And nowadays, our family enjoy, guys. Woo. So it's enough for our family and all stuff, guys. And at the same time, I wash some utensils here. So, Nebon, don't share camera. So I'm calling my sister to hold for me a camera. At the same time, I washed some utensils here. This is yesterday's night dishes. I must wash them. Say hello.
Hello.
I come this way. Yes, kuja. Jo hapa. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, guys. So my sister, she was young. She can't know how to prepare some lunchtime, breakfast, and I must be here. So maybe let me give her a time like 10 years. She'll be able to know how to cook, or 10 to 20 years. But when she reach 12 years to 15, she know how to cook. So hold it for me, camera. You hold for me, camera. Nowadays, guys, my sister, she have some friends from abroad and from outside of the country. Every time, greet my friend. Guys, your best friend, she's here. She's doing good, and I'm so sorry because I have my TV, but no power. Because when I have when I have enough power, I think my sister, she can watch some cartoons, some baby songs. But right now, things change. But it's all well. One day I shall have my solar panel. You good? Umemaliza juice?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, I'm asking her, did you finish your juice and cookies? Hadi cookies umemaliza?
Mm-hmm.
Umemaliza lini?
There.
Yeah. Imagine from, I think today is 3 days since I bought her some juice and cookies. So she finished today. And the crazy thing about my sister, at night, since I bought her some juice and cookies, she can't eat ugali, all chapati, all rice. The only thing she take is juice and cookies. But I thank God she have already finished, and now you take rice. And guys, I bought her some shoes, guys. Here, new one. You know, so I'm the firstborn. I must take care of my young sister, my young brother, even my mama. So guys, I'm calling my sister to hold for me a camera, and I know some kids are not allowed on social media, but I'm trying to feature my sister. It is all it is. So hold for me a camera. Simama hapa hivi. Yes. Yeah, shika. Songa hapa. So guys, let me rotate some rice here. Then, it's so hot. So let me rotate the rice over here. Man. My mama taught me how to cook rice. So you rotate it like this so it can burn. And guys, this is the cooking stick over here. Wow. So I think so. And then I cover with this metallic lids. Now fine. Okay, I don't want to add more fire. It's okay. On that a burning charcoal, I mean. So I want to wash some night dishes here. So okay. Alright guys, so I wash the cup here. You know? So so because I'm very heavy can here. Oh guys, man, so I wash the night dishes and it's alright. And I'm washing from this side and I'm putting washing up and I'm putting on this side, so I have two innovation map heavy. Yes, I'm washing from this and I'm putting so after this I'll go and check some cows and all stuff, you know, so it's all good. So guys, in case you're new here, can you give my videos a like, comment, and also rudi nyuma kabisa, rudi nyuma hapo, ufanye hivi shikilia hapo. So guys, I'm trying to show my sister to hold for me a camera. And guys, in case you're new here, I wanna say just subscribe to my channel, like, comment guys. So and pray for me, pray my family. My mama, she wanna recover soon and continue with her work. You know? Acha tuwezi finya hapo kwa kio. So all is all well, and you know, everything you must put God first, you know. So I thank God. Soon my mama should recover. And maybe cooking, washing utensils na kuwekea hivi na unalisha sijui kwenda wapi. Okay guys, I was having some trouble with my sister. I'm telling her to hold her camera like this and she'll not rotate. You know, one day my sister Shona became maybe a journalist. So she must know these things good. Wow. After this, I'm going to check some cows. So I start tending them early in the morning. But I think our third brother take care of the cow. But I must check rate. Okay guys, I've already finished washing here. So I rinsed them and I put on this side, on this tray, you see? Wow, there. Wow. Okay, you know, in the morning I was giving some people here to do for me some job. The guy for yesterday, he came. I brought him some breakfast, so he came and then he didn't came. So for now, let's leave some rice here. So I'm going to check some cows. Ma. So guys, let me check the cows and all stuff. Before I'm going to the cows, actually, before I went there, I want to check some work there. Yeah, so I'm asking my brother where he's tightening some cows. He told me on the other side. Mom, Dad. Yes guys, I see my mom. She was walking around and I want to ask him how she was doing. Hey. Sema heri.
Hello.
Unaendelea?
Naendelea niko nafu.
Yes. Mkono unaendeleaje popo?
Kuna nafu.
Yes, nafu is Swahili, but she wanna say that she wanna recover so slowly. She feel okay somehow, and I must take her to the doctor to be injected. Sangapi hospital?
Sana.
Yes, so I'm asking her, which time did you go to the hospital? She told me 2 p.m. So we almost there. Okay. So guys, I give that guy the work, and you see he left here everything spade, jembe, wheelbarrow. But maybe he came maybe. So let's give him some time, you know. Maybe he needs some leisure time, and after that, I give him some contract. When he finished this all sand here, you see guys, so I clear everything here, from here up to that way, and then the reason why I'm trying to squeeze this sand is to put aside, you know, here. When my time around guys, I could use this red sand to come back my mama dream house when my time allowed. So it's slow by itself, you know. So guys, I was thinking that since I was young, my mom take care of me, take me back to school, buy for me some clothes, give me some food. So this is my time to make my mama to be proud enough, you know. So I think the big thing is when I build my mama dream house. Hey, whew. I can't wait, guys. But trust me. So I'm going to check this guy here. But I think he went for her own issue. Maybe to see some stuff, you know. When you are a family, you must be aside, and maybe he went to see how things running, maybe, and maybe he was a married person, so he must look her wife and give him some budget, maybe things like food, maybe technically basic need. So I think tomorrow when he came here, he could finish this area. But for today, he can reach here up to that way and remain on this side. When he came tomorrow, he can squeeze. But guys, you're able to see everything shall be clear. And when I'm start constructing this, I'll cut these trees. I'll cut this one. So I need the entrance of the highway to be looked very, very let's say direct from that corner, from that angle, coming that way to the loo. So maybe at night when you don't have some light, you can't interfere some trees here. So I will cut this one, even that one, and this one. So we remain with empty place here, because even here you can have some wall to block some doors for the toilet. So guys, by now, wow, some cock here. Look. Hey. So I'm going to check some cows and all stuff, guys. Wow. So let's see. Guys, in case you're new here, okay, I washed my sweater, guys. This is my sweater and I hung it on this barbed wire. This is my neighbor's land. So in case you're new here, guys, this is where I'm calling home, and actually this is my house, you know. So in our culture here, in our traditional culture, people, they want to believe when you are childhood and you are a boy, you must have your own house until when you be an adult. So when you expand your mind, you can build your own house. But for now, that is it, guys. So this is where I'm calling home. This is where I'm born and raised, guys. Every day I want to sing Marab. I want to say this is where I'm calling home. This is where I'm born and raised. In case you're new here, this is where I'm calling home. Welcome to Hello Baby's home. Welcome to my mama home, guys. And by now I was stay with my mama, because my father passed away when I was 10 years, and right now I'm 23 years. So imagine that duration of time. My mama take care of me. Oh guys, so I'm using this road, but we pass on the trees. Woo. So let's go and see. Hey, all right, it's all good. So you're heading this way. Yep. Wow, guys, beautiful sceneries, you know. Hey, so I'm going to check some cows, and then after that, our third brother have already come from grazing the cow, so he can give my mama food. Wow. Whew. Hey. Guys, YouTube is a game changer. You must be very creative. Whew. But it's okay. So I'm heading this way. I've already seen my mama's cow and all stuff, and all cows and goats. But the first thing I meet is goat here. Wow. So yesterday I was here, and you see, if you plant earlier, you harvest earlier. Look like this, my neighbor here. He plant earlier, he harvest earlier. So other one are waiting right there. That's the maize corn. So the goat is okay. We have another one here. Check it out. Hey, what's up? That's okay. Right. And inside here you have some blackjack. You have the dark kid of the goat. Imagine. And her mother is this one here. Look. So we have another one here. Yes, I've already checked everything. Oh. This one, they eat some maize here. At the end of the day, you can bring some problem. So this is the maize corn here. Look, guys. This goat was eating here. So I must cut it and throw on the other side. So, and the next thing, I'm going to check some cows. Hey. Wow. Over there. Right there, guys. And we have another one that way. So, this is my responsibility at my village here. Wow. But I think when my mama, when she covers soon, she will cover soon. She wanna look the cows. Wow. What's up? It's okay. That one there. So we're tightening them here. So we must check. This is the peg here. Wow. Wow. Hey. Guys, I'm passing here. No gumboots. This is the bone one. You see, guys, so this is the reason why I came to check the car. Wow. So we have another one here. This one I heard yesterday. My mom at night, she was calling me during my local time. 2 a.m. at night. So this cow was coughing and she's pregnant and she was coughing. Maybe she was being attacked by ammonia. So the doctor came and injected, but I was not around, and I think even right now we can eat. Yes. All right, so it's okay. And the last thing is to check the calf. And I want to say thank you so much for my audience who watching my videos. This is how I'm moving on at my village here, guys. And wow, guys, I love this shirt too much. And I have the rest of the shirt. But when my clothes have been washed, the first thing I look is this shirt here. I love it so much. So the last thing I came here to check is the calf of her mother is there. So even the calf is okay. What's up? You're good? Yes, everything shall be okay. So guys, it's my time to leave, and I need to check whether my rice have been already, and I give my mama time to take and then eat some lunch. So I take her to the hospital for injection. Hey guys, English is too hard. But I'm trying my best, you know. Every day when I'm uploading my videos, watching other people's videos, I will learn so sorry. Wow. Here is where my mama grazed some cows, give some stuff from the maize corn over here. So right along I came and clean, you know. Whew, my beloved shirt. When get lost, one day I will cry. Hey. Wow. So there's me, I'm just okay. So I give my mama time to have some lunch, and I take to the hospital, you know. So over here there's my motorbike over there, and all the time I thank Monkey wherever you are, bro. My God bless you. You know, like yesterday I used this motorbike to take my mom to the hospital. At the same time I take my sister to school. So guys, in case you're new here, I think Monkey 23 or Monkey 23 opened their channel, and he made a couple channel. So go and check him, subscribe, show some love, guys. So he was the one who bought for me this motorbike during the party season, and I'm the winner, guys. To be honest, I'm the winner. I'm the only guy who, during the end of the party, that's the year of 2023, I got a motorbike, and I said, oh my God, I thank you so much. And when God opened for you some doors, you can pass anywhere. So let's check. Mchari umeiva hivyo? Umekula? So I'm asking my sister. There is already. So njoo mule. Yeah, guys. Here we have some water. Maybe my sister wanna have some. That thing. Hey. Well, guys. So because my camera is overheating, so let me cool it for some few minutes, and then I'll give my mama some rice. Well, guys, this is the cow piece over here. But let me know in the comment section what do you call, and this is the rice over here. So I've already packed here, maybe for in case for additional people can add. So I cook enough rice, and everything should be here, and I've already served my mom here, so I give my mom a rice here. Yes. See guys, this rice and all stuff. So after this I'll take her to the hospital, guys. So don't ask me why I came from bathroom, from my local bathroom, guys. I was taking shower. Well, guys, today is on Friday, and guys, we have our students have some short breakage of the half term for 1 week, so we're remaining with the weekends, and I think next week they wanna resume back to school, guys. Well, when my sister, she was hiding inside here. You know, when I'm around, my sister can't go far away from me here. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, and guys, the most delicious food for my sister, rice chapati. That's the end of the story. We became a friendly, pure friendly. Rice chapati. We became a friend to my sister. Friend, 100%. They enjoy a lot. So let me check mine, guys. And I'll take my lunch here. I'm gone. Hey, guys, imagine this hole. Oh, let's go. Hey. This world. Hey. Guys, I finished everything. So this let me check the key. of my motorbike. Fungua pikipiki nimeacha wapi? Okay. You see guys. So it and then I left the rice there. So this day 2, taking my mama to hospital for checkup of the hand, and she must went for the injection every day, so 5 days. So nowadays this is the second day, so we remain with 3 days. But yesterday my mama, she didn't injected. She will be given some tablet. So today we went for the first injection. So guys, I've already came from the bathroom and eating lunch. So I cooked some delicious lunch, guys. This day to taking my mama to hospital, guys, you know. Wow. So I think she's waiting me outside alongside the road, guys. So I need to take the motorbike and rush. Wow. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming, guys. I'm the guy who not blagging things, you know. So I must show you the way I'm moving on, the way things they are here. Right, guys. That's my mom. So we go for the second day for the checkup. Wow, guys. Hey. Guys, in case you have your mom outside there, take care of her, or your parent, both of them. Take care of them, guys, you know. That's the blessing, man. So it's my time to leave. These stuff are not working nowadays, so I must use this kick here. Things shall be okay, guys, so stay tuned, man. So now, guys, you are outside. We keep going. Wow. Heading this way. Wow, guys. Today is sunny day, so we almost to approach dry season. Wow. So that's how we move. At the back, there's my mama, guys. You know? Alright, guys, so stay tuned, guys, as I move to the hospital. So I don't want to vlog too much when I'm riding my motorbike. So guys, stay tuned. Wow, some goat over here. Guys, I'm just here and I was waiting the doctor. So this kind of has this, right? So let me show you this way. And then I want my mama to be injected, guys, over here. So guys, I'm just here and I'm waiting my mama to be injected. It can't allowed to shoot while my mama she's injected, so I'm heading inside and to show you. So I brought my mama inside here. So we have a small hospital here. We call Samaria Mwema Hospital. So guys, this is how things they are here, and I'm heading this way.
Nikuonyeshe simu yangu sasa. Nionyeshe namna gani?
Where is that? So guys, I'm just ora umchomi shindano.
Na mchoma ndio nataka kumchoma, wacha ni mchome ndio tufanye hivi. Ama unataka namna gani?
Tuoneshe, hata tuoneshe kwanza. Sawa, ende mchome.
Anachomewa hapa tu.
Kwa mkono?
Sio mkono.
Okay.
Alafu sasa hii inaenda kusaidia kumaliza hiyo ganzi na kufanya mwili wako upende.
Ndio mchome. Vitamin B.
Iko na P nyingi ile mpaka ya kuleta ganzi. Ya kuumiza.
Kuna vitamin B, BA, B2, B6, B12.
Sio vitamini moja hiyo.
Taborate. Hello guys.
Walisema kwamba niandike kwa karatasi hivi ama
hata kwa simu, kwa karatasi tu. Wewe futa shindano.
Wacha nifute sindano. Si niyo kitu.
Mchoma natoka.
Niyo kitu iko hapa jamani.
Si kama una bando.
Bando si nitanunua.
Hai. Mchome kwanza.
Haya, tusonga nje basi tutoke mama.
Asuna futa shindano akionda nitoke niende mimi.
Nataka tuone. Waone.
Okay guys. So I'm telling my doctor I want to see all process for this liquid medicine and needle. So my mama should be a needle. Hey kazi ni ngumu.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow see you come.
So guys, I'm closing the door. Yeah, guys, like that. So I give my time my mama to be injected. So we see the whole process, and guys, thank you so much, and I thank God. My mama shall recover soon and continue with her work. But I'm telling my mom to do some work because it's overworking, and man, I'm feel like one day my mama should wanna stop that overworking. But it is what it is, guys. So when I get it, I shall stop my mama from the farm, guys. You know, so like this hospital here have some medicine, everything free, and as I told you, he was a professional doctor. Since yesterday, the doctor gave my mama some tablets so to cure the pain. So when I wake up early in the morning, my mama told me I feel like I'm better, and I said, no mom, you must go to injected so to be better and more better, guys. Wow guys, so let's wait the result from the doctor, and I want to show you the doctor's YouTube channel name. In case you're new here, you can subscribe and do all stuff, you know. So guys, I'm just here. So this is the entry door. Wow guys, and I take care of my mom, you know guys, serious. I take care of my mom. I feel the pain when my mama said, oh, I'm missing this, I'm feel sick. There's a time when I was having nothing during back years, when my mama said I feel sick, and I thinking twice, how am I going to do? But nowadays, by God's grace, things change. When he said I feel sick, no matter what, when I have something else on my pocket, I must take my mama to hospital. I must take care of my mom. I must take care of my sister. So now I thank God, because God shall open me a door, and my heart was very, very clean, guys. You know, so I'm waiting from that point. Mom, so yes.
Ndio hiyo.
Okay. Guys, in case you're new here, this is Manigidi Doctor. Subscribe. Manigidi 1 Doctor, guys. Wataona sasa. Kwani video jana huku hiyo?
Ndio wakone vya kasubiri kwa huko cha
Oh.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Chibana
Okay.
mami ngoto rai. Tuko mmoja manganya kama sio naenda.
Guys.
God have any.
Twende sasa. Yaani ni ukorengasiana. Haya daktari tunani.
Asante baba.
Hi. Okay guys, so it's my time to live here with my mama, guys. She have already injected. So guys, stay tuned. Mama is in video scamming. Are you okay, mom? Because so, yes, I'm asking my mama, are you okay, guys? So stay tuned, man. Guys, I'm going back home, and I have already came from the hospital with my mama, guys. So sorry, we have too much of the sun, guys. So now it's our time to go back home. Woo. But I thank God, guys, my mama she have already been injected. So we made it 4 days. 4 days to go. Wow. Oh, it's a hilly place. So we go back home, man. Wow. At the same time, there's some kids going back to their behind. So over there. So guys, I thank God my motorbike supporting me a lot and a lot. I can't complain. This is the beautiful forest here. Over here. I have a sharp corner here, guys. So this is how things they are here. I see my sister praying here with her friend cousin. Wow. Guys, so and today my mama she wanna added some tablets by doctor. So alright guys, so thank you so much. I think I've already taken my mama to hospital for the first injection, and yesterday it's all about to give some instruction how my mama was feeling sick and all stuff. So today we went for the first medication or for the first injection in the other way. And guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about these videos. And today it's a wonderful day to me, and I thank God. When my mama said I'm just still cover my hand, I feel so happy, guys. So I give my boys here some work to do, and he ran out of my work. It's because maybe he feel tired. So let's wait tomorrow. Wow, guys. Okay, in case you're new here, let me know in the comment section. And I'm still my sand here, my red sand. When my time allowed to build my mama house, I'll use that sand to come back to my house. So guys, I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you. Bye bye. I hope you enjoyed this video for today. Bye bye guys, I love you.